how to get unbanned on Wiz App. Now, if you've been using Wiz App for quite some while, but then maybe your account got banned for some reason and Wiz did not give you a reason or explain you any sort of reason, and you've been wondering how you can get it unbanned. Now, once your account has been banned, there are very less chances that your account be unbanned, but you can still try. You can go to your browser and type in Wiz Support. When you type in Wiz Support, you'll find a link from wizapp.com that says contact Wiz or get in touch with the team. So to appeal for a certain ban, you have to try to contact or create a ticket with the customer support team. Over here, simply enter your first name, your email address, your last name, select who you are. Once done, you can select your message. You can give the email address of your Wiz account and just let them know that this account was banned. You do not understand the reason and what are the further steps that you can take in order to go ahead and then unban your account. Now, by the way, this is not a 100% working process because this depends upon the appeal of what you're saying and also upon the customer support whether they wish to unban your account or not. If there aren't any valid reasons that they banned your account, then they should be able to help you once you tap the submit button. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.